I'm Edouard. I'm going to read you 5 poems of Jelaluddin Rumi. Rumi was born, well, he lived in the 13th century, and he lived in Persia and wrote in Persian. And these poems are taken from the works of Moynes and Coleman Barks. Moynes translated the medieval Persian, and Barks made it into something like nice poetry. So, a lover was telling his beloved how much he loved her, how faithful he had been, how self-sacrificing, getting up at dawn every morning, fasting, giving up wealth and strength and fame, all for her. There was a fire in him. He didn't know where it came from, but it made him weep and melt like a candle. You've done well, she said, but listen to me. All this is the decor of love, the branches, the leaves, and blossoms. You must live at the root to be a true lover. Where's that? Tell me. You've done the outward acts, but you haven't died. You must die. When he heard that, he laid back on the ground, laughing, and died. He opened like a rose that drops to the ground, and died laughing. That laughter was his freedom and his gift to the eternal. As moonlight shines back at the sun, he heard the call to come home and went. When light returns to its source, it takes nothing of what it has illuminated. It may have shone on a garbage dump or a garden or in the center of a human eye. No matter. It goes, and when it does, the open plain becomes passionately desolate, wanting it back. Chickpea to cook. The chickpea leaps almost over the rim of the pot where it's been boiling. Why are you doing this to me? The cook knocks him down with the ladle. Don't you try to jump out. You think I'm torturing you. I'm giving you flavor, so you can mix with spices and rice and be the lovely vitality of a human being. Remember when you drank rain in the garden? That was for this. First, grace, sexual pleasure. Then a boiling new life begins, and the friend has something good to eat. Eventually, the chickpea will say to the cook, boil me some more, hit me with the skimming spoon. I can't do this by myself. I'm like an elephant that dreams of gardens back in Hindustan and doesn't pay attention to his driver. You're my cook, you're my driver, my way into existence. I love your cooking. The cook says, I was once like you, fresh from the ground. Then I boiled in time and boiled in the body, 2 fierce boilings. My animal soul grew powerful. I controlled it with practices and boiled some more and boiled once beyond that and became your teacher. Totally conscious and apropos of nothing, you come to see me. Is someone here, I ask? The moon, the full moon, is inside your house. My friends and I go running out into the street. I'm in here, comes a voice from the house. But we aren't listening. We're looking up at the sky. My pet nightingale sobs like a drunk in the garden. Ringdoves scatter with small cries. Where? It's midnight. The whole neighborhood is up and out on the street, thinking the cat burglar has come back. The actual thief is there too, saying out loud, yes, the cat burglar is somewhere in this crowd. No one pays attention. Lo, I am with you always means, where you look for God, God is in the look of your eyes, in the thought of looking, nearer to you than yourself, or things that have happened to you. There's no need to go outside. Be melting snow. Wash yourself of yourself. A white flower grows in the quietness. Let your tongue become that flower.